Today the Mr. Multisystem FPGA solution is bringing back the nostalgia of retro gaming to those eager to relive their formative years. The Mr. Multisystem accurately emulates retro gaming consoles and computers of the late 20th century, but it needs a low latency controller, the likes of which can be found in the recently released TrillDock Classic SE. The TrillDock Classic SE is designed to provide a low latency digital and analog interface for classic game controllers and peripherals, with digital inputs being measured as low as 0.7 milliseconds and analog at 1.4 milliseconds. This is fast enough to keep up with button mashing combos and accurate platform shenanigans. It is compatible with controllers and peripherals from the Atari VCS/2600, 7800, 800, VCS, ST, joysticks and mice, Atari keypad, Commodore Amiga, Sinclair ZX Spectrum, Amstrad CPC and GX4000, MSX, Sega Mega Drives and Master Systems, and Neo Geo joysticks and pads, and of course the Mr. Multisystem. The TrillDock Classic SE is sold for $93, £74.99 before tax, and comes with a USB lead from the Pico to connect the board to the Mr. Multisystem's USB port. The board is also compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux OS, as it appears as a generic USB HID game controller. The TrillDock Classic SE is currently in production and units will be shipping in 2 to 3 weeks. If you are feeling ambitious, you could make your own TrillDock Classic SE using a Raspberry Pi Pico or Adafruit's KB2040 as the brains. The TrillDock Classic SE is an incredibly useful product and provides a great low latency option for those looking to relive the good old days of gaming.